Good morning all. This is the first video of lesson number 12, class 5 science, and today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the moon. The name of the chapter is moon. So before I start, moon is something that you see in the night. It reflects the light of the sun. So first thing is, let me tell you what is a satellite. Satellite is anything that is revolving around a planet. So our earth is a planet. Suppose this is the earth. Anything like I am having the stone. This is revolving around the earth. This keep on moving around the earth. This earth is also moving and this is also moving. So anything that is revolving around the earth or around the planet, that is called as the satellite. So satellites, they are of two types. They can be natural and they can be man-made. Natural means the nature has already made, like the moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. That is, moon keeps on revolving around the earth by its own. Next is, the next type of satellite will be the man-made satellite. That is, we are sending some satellites to the universe so that we can do whatever we want to do with that satellite. We will fix some machines. About this you will be reading in the coming topics. So next is, it has no light of its own. It reflects sunlight. So for this, let me show you. This is the earth. Moon is reflecting the sunlight. So this is the sun. Suppose this torch I am having, and this I am showing you as the this is the sun, and here it is a place like this is a mirror that I am having. So this one is showing now I hope you can see the round one on the screen, this one, okay, this one. So similar like this, that is only this is a mirror on the earth, this place, like you are having this we are shooting like this, that on the earth we see the reflection of the moon. That is, any round body, we see the reflection or we see the light of the moon, like you are having the sunlight right now, like you are having the torchlight. Okay, so this is how the people on this earth, they will be seeing the moon from here, and sunlight is being reflected. Okay, now next is that it is having it reflects the light of its, does not have its own light, and it reflects the sunlight. Next is, it is at a distance of 3 lakh, okay, 3,84,400 kilometers from the earth. So that is more than 3 lakh kilometers away from the earth the moon is placed. Next is the surface of the moon. The surface of the moon means what are the different things that are found on the surface of the moon. So like on the earth you are having mountains, you have studied in your SST. You are having mountains, you are having valleys, you are having plains, you are having plateaus, you are having craters. Like in the on the earth you are having like deep sea. Okay, so similarly mountain also, the moon is also having mountains, plains, craters and valleys. So all about others you are knowing, that is mountains you know, valley you know, plains you know, but you are not knowing about the craters. So craters are like, you have in the earth you are having something inside, that is water is there, sea bodies, that is the earth has been digged up. This is the earth, this has been digged up. Here the surface is below, here the surface is higher. Where it is blue color, that is water is there, so surface has gone down. Similarly, these are the big holes, big deep holes, that is the holes which are found on the surface of the moon. They are called as the craters, and these have been formed about 3.5 to 4.5 billion years ago. That means so much before. It is having no atmosphere, air or weather. Atmosphere, I told you in the previous chapter, atmosphere is the layer of air. Suppose this is the earth, a layer of air that is surrounding the earth is called as atmosphere, and that is responsible for the weather changes. That is responsible for summer, that is responsible for winter, that is responsible for rainy seasons, clouds, etc. So moon is not having such cover like the earth, so there is no atmosphere. Similarly, water, if atmosphere is not there, air will not be there and weather will also be not there. Now because of this, like atmosphere, like in the room, when you are sitting in the room, that cover, that is the roof or the room, is protecting, it is protecting you from heat during the summers. Okay, that is, you go inside the room, you feel cold during summers, but in winters it is protecting you from coldness also. That cover of the room is protecting you from hot and cold temperatures. In the winters you go inside the room and you feel hot. Similarly, that because of the atmosphere, because there is no atmosphere, there is extremely hot during the day. That is, during the day it will be very hot on the moon, and during the night it will be freezing cold at night because there is no cover. Now next is, because of all these conditions, that is because of atmosphere, no air, no weather, and because of the temperature variations is the difference between the temperature of day and night. The difference between the temperature of day and night will be the temperature variance. So because of this, there is no life on the moon. So moon is not having any kind of life. Now next you will be having the phases of the moon, that you will be studying in the next video.